finding the dip and strike. So basically what I have here first is I have my elevation of the stratum. So here's the contour lines, and these points actually lie on the contour lines and they are marked all along here. Also what I've drawn is I've drawn the plan of the stratum. So I've just connected 60 up to 60, A is 40 and C is up there at 80. So I just did 10mm intervals. So basically I'm going to start off by doing the strike first. So to find the strike, what I need to have is I need to have a level line in plan. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to join point B. I'm going to bring a level line straight across. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop it down to elevation. I'm going to find this point in elevation. When I locate this point, so I'm just going to use AC as my line as the point lies on this. So when you see that that's there, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to join B straight to this point. Now that's our first step. So this here is our strike, the angle that this makes with our north. So north is pointing upwards, so imagine there's a line pointing upwards here. So it is the angle that this line makes with the north. So that's the strike. Next of all, if I move on to the dip, what we need to do is we need to look along the strike. So a level line is drawn in elevation, that's perfect, we have that. By projecting an auxiliary view of the stratum, viewing in the direction of the strike, an edge view of the stratum can be found. So I'm just going to do this here, and this is my x1, y1. Now finding these points, so I'm just going to bring my points over to the x1 and y1, and then we're going to locate them. So if I bring that, now we're looking 2 views back, so we're looking back up in elevation. Here's A here, B would be in roughly around here, and then C would be right in our corner here. If I join them 3 points up together, what we find here is that angle there is our dip.